Logitech G915 Review. Complete Buyer's Guide. It's hard to imagine a better wireless gaming keyboard than the Logitech G915. Let's have a quick look at pros and cons of this new amazing Logitech keyboard. Pros: excellent key switches. Beautiful design. Robust software. Discrete media keys. Cons: no wrist rest. Very expensive. Wanna see how it looks? Here you go. Gaming performance: the G915 handled every game we threw at it with ease. Each time we activated a special ability in Overwatch, or selected an army in StarCraft, Remastered, or fired off a magic spell in Baldur's Gate, Siege of Dragonspear, the G915 parsed our commands accurately and instantaneously. Design: the keyboard itself is gorgeous, with a brushed metal style finish over a sturdy plastic chassis. Each key has an ultra-thin keycap over a small mechanical switch. There's a column of macro keys on the far left as well as 3 macro profile keys, and a macro record button above the F1 to F4 keys. Above the F4 to F8 keys, you'll find buttons for USB dongle and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as game mode. Keys: the G915 uses a brand new kind of switch, or, more accurately, it uses 3. Just as gamers can purchase Corsair keyboards with their choice of Cherry MX Red, Brown or Blue switches, they can also choose between GL Linear, GL Tactile and GL Clicky switches on the G915. Cool features: the G915 runs on the Logitech G Hub software, which is pretty good as these programs go. You can program a variety of different color effects, from per-key lighting to reactive rainbows that ripple across the keyboard when you type. You can also record macros and set up profiles for individual games and programs. Battery life: Logitech claims that the device will run for up to 12 days of play, 8 hours per day, with RGB features turned on, or up to 135 days with lighting turned off. To check latest price on Amazon, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.